I'm George Adams, owner of General Finishes. I bought General Finishes in 1985. At that time, we had only one oil-based product. Rob poured one can at a time, and I sold one store at a time. In 1992, we dove into water-based finishes, and today we are the most innovative manufacturer of water-based finishes in the country.
We start by doing an on-site interview with the customer, looking at the type of machinery that they're currently using and where they want to be.
We ask questions and we listen. We want to know what problems are you having, and we want to know if we can help. Then we'll go back to our lab and we'll work very closely with our chemists and we'll put together a product that we think best suits your needs.
General Finishes has the capabilities to formulate products for every type of machinery and can formulate products to be fast dry, quick stack, ready to ship within 12 hours.
Color is something we do very well. I think we all know that color sells. Clarity, consistency, richness in color. If you're talking water-based, we do it better than anyone else. Once you're using our products, once you like our products, we're always coming back to visit. We're always tweaking. We're always trying to give you the best product we can give you. We're always going to keep trying to make that product better for you and your customers.
People talk about water-based finishes as the future. Water-based is here now, and General Finishes manufactures the best water base in the country.